So in this video I'm doing a calibration on the front radar lane assist sensor. I'm using a launch, I think it was a X401 or X431 scanner, and this is the settings right here: adaptive cruise control, special function, and we got it into the driving mode basically to calibrate while we're driving. It says you have to do upwards up to 50 miles on the test drive to get it aligned. So far we're at like 5 miles and it's already at 62% progress, and it looks like it's going pretty fast, so trying to stay in the lane. And what else? So the sensor, the bumper was replaced. The sensor was getting the error for misalignment. Since the bumper was replaced, I guess it got mounted a little bit off angled. So we centered it, double checked, make sure everything's properly seated, and we're doing this drive now. So we're already at 83, so it's going pretty fast. So we're at 94%, it's jumping pretty fast. So let's see what happens once it hits 100%, so you guys know. And as you can see, we're still driving. Up 96%, so it's almost done. Okay, so I just had a flash on the cluster. It says stay in the lane, so I'm guessing it's already being activated. And I do see a green emblem where the little light glowing lane assist is green, but I'm just gonna record this for a second just so you guys see what happens when it finishes. That way it's all accurate, and so you guys could follow the steps and know what happened on mine. And I tried Alpha OBD. It did not want to do this. It had slightly different option to relearn the radar. It wanted to use a mirror. I tried it. It just would not read the module for some reason. It just kept failing. So we're at 100%. See what happens now. Says still okay. Service alignment complete. No error. All right. So go to the left lane, and we're gonna try to see what happens. So it's green. I think it works. Yeah, I'm not getting any faults, so it worked. Yeah, perfect. It's staying in the lane. Is it?
It did.
Yeah, okay. So I can't imagine how much dealer is going to charge you for this service, but I'm sure it's going to be more than a couple $100. And as you can see, I'm using a launch scanner, this model right here. Nothing crazy. And it is hooked up to hotspot, so it has to be running with the hotspot on. And this radar, this is the one. I bought a new one just in case. I thought mine was bad because it kept failing, but all it was just misaligned. And I'll have the error code. I'll put it up in the description as well. So this radar is used in all the Jeeps, Rams, everything pretty much. And this is a 23 Promaster. That's the part number. And just check for damage. Check your bumper so it's sitting proper. And what else? Alright, I'm gonna click continue. There you go. That's the option right there.
We're not getting any codes for it.
Attention, stop car. I'm gonna just turn off the engine. So it's done on my side. I'm not getting errors on the dash. As before, it would say ACC is currently unavailable, it's blocked, all those kinds of messages, so it wouldn't even work. But so far everything works. And this is the piece that's in the front bumper, not the camera. The camera is a different procedure. I don't know that one yet. I haven't done it. But if this video helped you, definitely hit like and subscribe, and send gifts, super chats, because this is easy fix versus going to a dealer and paying some super professional person to do it for you.